In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Display. Then scroll again to hit Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and pick one of those fonts by clicking on a perfect one. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, go back to the same settings, hit Download Fonts and install one of those. Just click on this icon next to the best one for you. Wait for it to be ready and apply it by clicking on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!